bright Sunday morning and thought to shoot a quick little video so that I could brief you guys with some important steps on getting started with shipping containers. So I've been getting a lot of questions with lots of guys asking me what is the main reason we've decided to increase the rentals, especially to the investors. The reason being, demand for shipping containers has grown immensely. Okay, and we've got amazing clients based in North America, especially countries like US and Canada, who have been taking shipping containers from us on a regular basis. So let us say at any given day, if we manufacture a new shipping container, we have clients that need them at every minute, so to speak. So we've got great clients from Boston, which is in Massachusetts. We've got good clients in Florida. We've got good clients in New York City. So there are a lot of clients who require shipping containers from us on a regular basis. Now, these shipping containers are not just used in to transport goods using a ship. They're also used for air cargo. They're also used by people that use these containers to convert or turn it into a home and then offer it on rent. So that's just amazing. There are so many amazing users that you could have with a shipping container. And earlier, like years ago, we used to only offer 40-feet shipping containers, but now we've decided to offer 20-feet shipping containers as well because they're more reasonable. More cheaper compared to a 40-feet container. So it's also easier for a person who wants to build a quick stream of passive income by buying, let's say, 5 to 10 20-feet shipping containers and then deploying them to us. It's been a great industry which I have been observing, studying, and at the same time working on more than a decade now. Because initially, when I had started my career in the shipping industry, I was more of an investor, but now I'm literally running the business operations myself. So there was a time when we were giving our own shipping containers to different companies based in Hong Kong, based in US, based in Ireland. But now we deploy the containers to our respective clients, which means in the last couple of years, we have taken out the time. We have built good business connections and networks with the right people in the right companies, and we started supplying our shipping containers. So any one of you that wants to get started, now I'm not saying that you have to come to us. I'm not saying that you have to go through us. If you want to do it on your own, you can do it yourself. But again, it involves a lot of work. It's not easy. I'm going to be very honest with you. It's not easy to build a shipping container business. Okay, it all depends on business networking. It depends on your good business connections. And if you can build a strong business network and also have, let's say, a good list of, clients that are requesting or ordering shipping containers from you on a regular basis, then you can definitely build a successful business. So that's one very important tip. Second, if you're a person that doesn't want to do all the heavy lifting, that doesn't want to run around, that doesn't want to do the errands when it comes to the shipping industry business, then you can go through us. You could contact us. You can speak to one of my managers. You can book your strategy call, and we'll brief you on how you can get started and how you can start making your passive income right away. Alright guys, so that's it from me. Feel free to send me messages or ask me any questions if you haven't. Cheers.